Making polite requests, is it possible? Hello, English learners. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of polite expressions, specifically focusing on, is it possible? This is a great tool for making requests sound more polite and respectful. So, if you're ready to level up your conversational English, let's get started. Before we start forming sentences, it's essential to understand what "is it possible" really means. It's a polite way of asking if something can be done. The phrase shows respect for the other person's time, ability, and willingness. So, when you use it, you're not only asking a question but also showing respect and consideration. When using "is it possible," we usually follow the structure. Is it possible, plus, to, plus verb, base form. Let's look at some examples. Is it possible to borrow your pen? Is it possible to finish this project by tomorrow? In these sentences, is it possible is followed by to, and then the base form of the verb, which is borrow, in the first example and finish in the second. Although we focused on the basic structure using the base form of the verb, it's also possible to use "is it possible" with different tenses. For instance, is it possible plus that plus subject plus will plus base verb? Is it possible that you will help me? Is it possible plus that plus subject plus past simple tense? Is it possible that you left your phone at home? By changing the tense, you can talk about future possibilities or past events. Knowing how to ask is just half the conversation. It's also important to know how to respond. When someone asks you, "Is it possible?" you can respond in several ways. Yes, it is possible. If you can do what's asked. I'm afraid it's not possible. If you cannot do what's asked. It might be possible. If you're unsure whether you can do what's asked. And there you have it. With "is it possible," you can now make polite requests in different contexts and respond appropriately. Remember, learning is a journey, and you're doing fantastic. Stay tuned for more videos to help improve your conversational English. Happy learning!